What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well. Gala Games breaking out as we've been expecting. Ladies and gentlemen, in the Discord, every single day we're crushing it. SLP, these are all from today. TP1, TP2, 42%. C98, TP1, 27%. TP1. Man, we just been crushing it all day. My signals are free, guys. XLM, 101%. I just added 50x snipers where I'm sniping top and bottoms on 50x leverage. Alice hit our TP1, 36%. And near hit like TP2 already, 180%. These are my first two trades. Alice again, 62%. The first time I entered Alice, it got stopped out for a 35% loss, but it was still looking succulent, so I re-entered and we absolutely crushed it. Free access at the end of the video. So we expected Gala to create a lower low in the wave 4 before breaking out. We've broken this down sloping trend line, so we can potentially be starting the wave 5. We only have 3 waves up right now, so we have to be careful because you can create one more lower low. We're currently in a long trade for Gala. There's our entry, and our take profits are up here. First take profits up here at 0.0833. So we can push up from here if we create a 5-wave move off the low. Right now we just have 3 waves up, so you want to create one more higher high for more confirmation. If we fail to do so, we can come down, create one more lower low, and then bounce back to the upside and see continuation up in the wave 5. That's what looks like the probable scenario. As you can see here on the weekly chart, once we break this resistance, if we break 0.08669, then basically it's a straight shoot all the way up to 18-20 cents. So many people a month ago, Gala's not even gonna make it to 15 cents, 20 cents, it's going to 0. No, your life is going to 0. As you can see, Gala Games is absolutely crushing it. In the next few weeks we'll have the bullish cross on the weekly chart. Shout out to everyone that was a believer. We're all becoming wealthy very, very quickly. So that's what I'm looking at for Gala. If we create that 5-wave move, that'll be a first signal of seeing a straight breakout up in the wave 5. If we fail to do so, then just one more pullback before we shoot up. But it does look like we have a pretty decent chance. We got a nice little inverse head and shoulders going on that will just shoot up from here. Target is 0.099 to 0.108. We can knock a 0 off of Gala, which would be very exciting. We're going to $1 and beyond. Trust me, I'll have some haters in my comments. Well, I don't think so. Just watch. Just watch. Okay, that's it for this one. Free access to my signals with a sign up to BTCC. No KYC, no VPN all around the world, including for North America. 10% back on your fees when you sign up through my link. If you sign up to BTCC or MEXC, send me email after you make your first deposit. You will get free access to the best signal group on YouTube, my VIP rooms, daily crypto analysis, my exact crypto trade signals, my 50x sniper signals, 4x signals, everything, guys. Look at the members. They're crushing it. They're absolutely crushing it. That's a 478 gain. He likes to have it in red. Near trade, 171% gain. Absolutely killing it, guys. Smash up the like button, subscribe if you're new. Links down below. See you in the next one. Much love. Take care.